In 2001, I joined SLB as a mechanical engineer in Rocharon in Houston, in Texas. I've then worked in France, Norway, and I've been back in the US since 2014. As a project manager of a fairly complex project, it was essential to change paradigm and bring some new solution. That's where virtual everything and agile for hardware were introduced in the project I was leading. Since 2022, I'm in charge of SLB enabling technology, where I lead a team of 100 engineers that brings value to all the divisions of the company. One of our strong focus is on modeling and simulation. Very good. As a mechanical engineer, you start by having some training on modeling and simulation as you join the company, or at least 15 years ago, 20 years ago. What was seen is, like for myself, you take a training, but after a while you have all your other tasks as a mechanical engineer to have the product go all the way to the finish line. Becoming excellence or producing excellence in the software and modeling and simulation take a bit more time. So SLB realized that aspect, and so built a pool of engineers about 15 years ago who mostly focus 100% of their time on modeling and simulation. The entire team is composed of mostly PhDs. It's the highest density of PhDs in the company. Because of that, all the teams come and ask for support to that team. Eventually, all the products in the company go, for some reason or another, to have modeling done on their project in that team. So about 8 or 9 years ago, we started working with ESTECO in a special research center where some products were developed. The Mode Frontier and Volta were used heavily to develop one product line of tools, which are now being commercialized, manufactured. Sustaining is being done on that product line. And what's interesting is to now scale up and see how it can impact the different product lines. At the time, it's been very interesting to see the day-to-day engagement from ESTECO with our team of engineers, the follow-up on trainings as well as doing proof of concept and following the mathematical and development of some of the solutions. The partnership of a fairly stable team in the first research center where we deployed Mode Frontier and Volta was key, as well as the stability of the team in ESTECO to sort of build that relationship. The value has been seen on that one product line. We're looking for deploying additional value on other product lines.